guys, this is Mona and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make Snickers cake. You have no idea how fantastic it is. Let's start together. First of all, beat 3 eggs. Mix them with 80 grams of sugar and a half teaspoon of vanilla and stir them for 5 minutes. We add 30 milliliters of liquid oil and 50 grams of milk. Mix 80 grams of flour, 20 grams of cocoa powder, with a spoonful of baking powder and stir. Now we sieve it 3 times and stir it gently with a bowl scraper. We pour the cake ingredients into the mold. Put the cake in the oven to cook for half an hour. Set the oven on 180 degrees Celsius. If you don't have an oven, put a metal object in the bottom of saucepan and put the cake on it. Close the saucepan lid. The cake will be baked after 50 minutes. When the cake completely cools down, take it out of the mold and divide it into 2 layers. Now I'm so excited. Let's go and prepare Snickers. First of all, melt 220 grams of sugar, add 100 grams of butter and stir the ingredients. We add 160 grams of cream. It's so delicious. Finally, we add 150 grams of almonds. Well done, it's ready. Put the first layer of the cake back into the mold. Moisten the surface of the cake with some rose water and sugar. We put a layer of whipped cream. I poured the completely cold Snickers liquid in the middle of the cream. Now we add the second layer of the cake on it. We put the cake in the refrigerator for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we take the cake out of the mold. Melt 150 grams of chocolate, 30 grams of liquid oil and 50 grams of almond slices and pour it on the cake. You can use the melted chocolate without almond slices for designing the cake. The unique taste of the cake is incredible. Try to cook it, it's really tasty.